Hey guys, it's Squirtle Squad 444 here, and today we'll be unboxing a pack of Breakthrough with Mega Mewtwo X-Form on the front. Haven't opened up Breakthrough in a while. Just want to go back and see what we can get. So let's go. Really looking for a break or EX, but I'm grateful for whatever I get. And here is Mega Mewtwo Y artwork. Nice. Oh my gosh, I butchered that pack badly. Sorry about that. Here is a code that you can have for Breakthrough. And 3 from the back. Okay, so Swoobat, Go-Goat, Town Map, Rufflet, Snover, Swablu, Woobat, Ghastly, a reverse Woobat, and oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I am sorry. Yo! That is sick! That is insane. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I need to sleeve this up. I'm not kidding. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Full art Mega Mewtwo EX X-Form. Nice. And I knew I was gonna go back to Breakthrough and get me some luck. Oh my gosh, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. And yeah, that's Mega Mewtwo EX right there. There, I have another. Oh, and here's my other secret rare Mewtwo EX. Sorry for we're taking a little time. I had to find my card, but yeah. So this is the regular Mewtwo EX, and here is the Mega. And yeah, really nice pull. So glad we got it. And leave a like, subscribe. And, yeah, comment, if you liked it or not. And, see you guys next time.